Hello and welcome to ronaldkaunda.com. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy an ebook from ronaldkaunda.com and how to access it again after you've purchased. For this demonstration, we are going to purchase the ebook, How to Write a Personal Statement. And then I will show you how to log into your account, find the ebook, add it to your cart, complete the checkout process, access your book, log out, and then log back in to access the book again. I will also explain what to do if you purchased your book as a guest without creating an account. So the first thing that you need to do, step 1, go to ronaldkaunda.com. As you can see on the screen, I'm already on the website, on the page. And then once the website opens, you can use the menu to access the different sections of the website. So here is the menu. We've got home, shop, courses, blog, and then you can search for anything. You can add something to your cart, and this is the most important part, the account. Step number 2, log into your account. So you click on where you see account and you see a pop-up here. You just fill in your details and your password and you wait for Cloudflare to show success here. If you don't have an account, you can click sign up here. If you have an account, use the same email you used to buy an ebook and the password, and then log in. It might take a bit of time to log you in, but once you are in, then we move on to the third part. So now we have logged in. The third part is to go where you can find books. So click on shop, and once you are on the shop page, you can select whatever book you want. So for me, I want to buy this, How to Write a Personal Statement. So I'll click on add to cart. And once I do that, you see a pop-up here. Now, another way I can do this actually is, let me remove this from the cart. I'll just click there to remove it. Another way I can do that is to, let me refresh the page so that we get the add to cart page. Okay. So what I can do, instead of clicking add to cart, I can click on the title or the image. It will take me to the product page. On the product page, I'll be able to see more information about this book and read. And then if I am satisfied, I'll just click add to cart. It's the same as we did. You see the pop-up still come here, and you see another button saying view cart. So we can view the cart or we can go to checkout. Now I want to view the cart. So I can either click here or on the pop-up which was on the right side. So now we are on the cart page. It's opened and we've got this book. The final price is $10. I can pay by PayPal or proceed to checkout. So for this one, I want to proceed to checkout so that I pay using my credit card. I put in my details and my address there. Then I choose to pay by my Visa, and then I just place the order. You can see that it's working. And our transaction has gone through. It says, thank you, your order has been received. Now, at this point, actually just by clicking here, you can download the book by clicking here. There is an email that's been sent to you directly. In the email that I automatically receive after checking out, there is a product and there is a download. By clicking on this link, it will download the ebook just from the email. As you can see, I just clicked that and the book now is downloading. If I click there, that is the book that I have bought. So this doesn't take very long. You can see it's an ebook, downloadable. So that's how you do it. Let me log out. I log out. How do I access the book again after I log out? That is what I want to show you. Okay, so I logged out. I go back to the home page and I come here. If I log out, I click on that account icon. It will bring me back to where I log in, like at the beginning. Once I've logged in, the account icon has gone. Now I've got downloads here. So I'll just click on downloads. And after clicking on downloads, you can see that I am here. And when you're on the downloads, it tells you downloads remaining infinite. This book, once you buy it, it's yours forever. You can lose it, go back and download it, go back and download it. We don't limit on how many times you can download a book. So to download, just click here because it says download English grammar. So I'll click there, and as you can see up here, it's downloading again. It's been downloaded. Thank you so much.